So how can you fix if your Android phone or Android device is not reading external hard drive? Let me talk about it and show you some reasons why it may not work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. First of all, make sure that you use the proper file manager. Like if you have a Samsung phone, you can go with the My Files app by Samsung where you should be able to see the storage devices, but you can as well explore some other options. For example, the Google Files or even other apps are available on the Play Store, which can get the job done and potentially even be better than the one that you are currently using. But there might be also some other reasons why it's not really working. There might be fault inside of the cable connection or in the hard drive itself. So it would make sense to try to use the very same setup, like the very same cable as well as the external drive, and connect it to another device to see if it's recognized in there or where exactly the problem might be. But then it also might be caused by incompatible formatting, right? So usually the SSDs or external storage is formatted for on or inside of the XFAT or FAT32, but it might also be something like NTFS instead of this. And if it's the case, then it may not be read on the Android, right? So if you have the ability to connect it somewhere else, it would make sense to reformat it to make sure that you will have the ability to connect it and make sure that it gets actually read into your phone, right? Then there are also some other reasons. For example, the external hard drives, especially the older ones, which are using the spinning hard drives, usually require more power than a phone can provide. So it might happen, even though it's less likely, but it might happen that your phone simply doesn't run the battery consumption that the actual hard drive actually needs. But that's less likely to be the case. I believe that it's either just, a different app or a different formatting of the external drive. But I believe that that's going to be about it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.